Hi, my name is Riley from Team 1872 Uplift, and today we're going to be doing a science experiment called Alka Seltzer rockets using household supplies. A few supplies. Some alternatives to a film canister are mini M&M containers, which are found at local grocery stores. Try to get the original Alka Seltzer tablets to replicate the results as accurately as possible, not the cold/flu variety. To start setting up the experiment, stand your film canister up straight and fill it with room temperature water until it's a quarter full. Make sure to not overfill the container. Next, crush up 1 to 2 tablets into small pieces so they are able to comfortably fit into your chosen container. Set aside until your experiment setup is complete. We recommend doing this outside to avoid a mess. Taking the crushed tablets, pour them quickly into the water. We recommend doing this with a funnel or having a friend ready to place the cap on. As soon as the cap hits the water, gas starts to form and place pressure on the cap. Flip upside down immediately and wait for a rocket to take off.